My name is Mike. I live in Ohio. I recently moved here from Alabama, and we bought a property that has numerous trees. So I just decided I wasn't going to be able to get up on ladders anymore. Just wanted to make sure that we had a way to protect from having gutter blockage and drainage problems. So I contacted LeafFilter, and they sent out 2 technicians that were very courteous and explained what they were doing and worked efficiently. They got the job done fairly quickly, was surprising to me, and we were pleased with the results. And certainly at the age that I am, I don't need to be on a ladder anyway, so they made it so that I don't have to worry about that in the future. And as far as I can tell, the product has held up pretty well so far since we had it installed. We are just now starting to experience a lot of leaves falling from the trees, and it's starting to indicate that the leaves will roll off of the gutter guard, make it easier for us to maintain our property. I'm sure it'll help in the future.